Hey guys, um, well, now I'm going to teach you how to change the stocks from your bagpipes. You know, like if you have any kind of bagpipes, you can also put in practice this kind of change method. Uh, I'm going to change this one. I've been forced to change it because in this corners from the back from the sack, yeah, from this bag, that is Bannatyne is like really good brand. Yeah, it's Scottish and it's a really good brand. So yeah, and it's made of Gore-Tex with the zip in here. So I'm going to just to put a little bit of more light. And yeah, the thing is that I've been forced to change yeah, the to reinstall the stock that is this one. Yeah, this one is from the big drone. And yeah, I am going to change it because through these corners all the hair came out. And you know, like with a little really small hole, you can, yeah, waste like a lot of hair inside. So I'm going to teach you how I did it. I just removed the piece. You know, you have to remove all of this tape, and you have to remove also the rope. And after that, then you can remove like really easy, take it up from the back. Yeah. And then I put this kind of tape that you can find it in many places. And it's like double face, and you can paste it like from inside and from the outside. Yeah. So the way that I am going to, yeah, to install the stock of this bagpipe is my medieval bagpipe that I use in Corpus Corax. So yeah, I am going to put it inside, yeah, for you to be able to to know exactly how I install it. So yeah, now is with the tape, and then you have to put it like inside. If you have the option, obviously, about this zip, because this zip is like really gorgeous, because you can clean inside. For example, if you have leather back, and you want to clean it from inside, it's like totally, I really recommend it. And also because they send it to you like with a special system, like this tube inside, where you are able to keep the yeah, all the water or the saliva and all of this. So you have to put it inside like this way. Yeah. And you have to just push a little bit. Yeah, like this way. And then in here you have to take care to put it like not until the bottom of the stock. So just a little bit, you know, like trying to avoid that everything, yeah, all the breathing come out. Yeah. So you have to be careful that, for example, in here is like the tape, as you can notice. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but you have to put it a little bit up, and then in here you have to put a little bit of tape, a little bit more tape, because by this way you are going to keep it in the position to install the rope. And then yeah, by this way, this is my way, you know, like maybe other bagpipers, they use it and they install the stocks in different way. But yeah, this is my way. So, or this is how I start to, yeah, like to learn how to install it. And then uh, when you have it ready, you just have to cut. Yeah, if you don't have scissors, for example, I don't have right now because I forgot in the studio my scissors. And then you have to put the rope. Yeah. But for this, I have a knife. Yeah, this knife is really gorgeous because I bought it in 2015, around there. Yeah, and you have many, that everybody knows this kind of tools are really gorgeous. So you have to renew. I will renew this rope. Is waxed rope, so you can find it in many places. Also, it's not that difficult to find it. And then you have to yeah, like maybe to cut 1 meter. With 1 meter, I think is enough. But if it is not, maybe you can cut a little bit more. Yeah. So the thing is that you have to yeah, to make a knot in here. Well, I do it like this way because I learned like this by myself. So yeah, everything is trying like and looking for your own way maybe, or there are many videos where you can where you can learn all of this. And then you have to put this as you can notice in here, for example. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's a knot, and in this knot it has a hole like this way. So you have to put it like inside, like this way. And then put it like this, and then you have in here the the string like this way. So you have to put it inside of the stock. Yeah, like this way. Like this way. And you can put it in the bottom. Yeah, normally it has a kind of yeah, I don't know how to say it, but yeah, the thing is that you have to put it like almost until the bottom. Yeah, there's a kind of curve in here inside. Yeah, and then you have to just to pull a little bit. Yeah, by this way you are not going to let it like totally tight. And this is what I learned in another video. And I started to investigate also, yeah, many years ago. And yeah, you have to let it like not that tight, and then you have to roll it. Yeah, to put all the rope around. Yeah, this way. And then yeah, you have to give some laps, and then you start to press a little bit more. As you noticed, for example, in here, yeah, it starts to just to slide a little bit. Yeah, and then you have it like this way. You pull a little bit more. You can use also, for example, one stick like in the other side of the rope. Yeah, and you can just pull, or for example you can just use this one. You make the note, you have to make the note in here, and then you have to pull a little bit more. Yeah, like this way. Then you don't have to use any stick or something, so it's like not that difficult to change it. And yeah, and then you pull a little bit more, and then again. And then until here. For example, there are many builders, many luthiers that they put like inside, yeah, like under the same rope, and then they pull a little bit, yeah, and over here, over the rope, you are going to put the, yeah, like the tape, yeah, this is for, yeah, cables, like the electricity. I'm so sorry, I didn't have another one, but it's the same, so you only have to use it. And then you have to put it like in here, all over the rope, yeah, starting from the top, I mean from the bottom of the stock, and then you have to start, oh, sorry, and then you have to be sure that you are pressing in here, otherwise it's going to, yeah, to go out. So and this one was a little bit short, and then you have to look for the next part of the tape, yeah, yeah, here it is, here it is. So yeah, you have to go like around, like surrounding the, yeah, the stock. Then it's a little bit more. Yeah. A little bit more. I mean, it's not that difficult. The only thing is that sometimes, yeah, there are some people that they are not really patient. So they used to say like, yeah, better if I bring it to the builder for the bagpipe, and maybe he can change it. But sometimes, you know, like nowadays it's better to do it yourself, and by this way you save money. Yeah, of course, for them, for the builders, it's important also, yeah, but you know, like sometimes you have to do it yourself. And by this way, now I have, yeah, new, yeah, I have it again. So now that my back of my turtle sack is ready, yeah, I put some corks in here, you know, like you have to put it in like in the drone, in small drone, and in the, yeah, in the stock of the chanter. And then we proceed to install the, yeah, like the blow pipe, and then we're going to see if it works or not. Is as I told you, I just reinstalled this one, the stock of the big drone, and then we will see if it works. Normally I count like until 10, and you are going to feel if it's working or not, because if it goes, I mean, if the air comes out like really easy, you are going to notice. I count normally until 10, and yeah, after that I can notice if my my bag is like working properly. Yeah, now it's really good. And for example, if you blow, you can even notice like this way, you know, because it's like a balloon, uh, completely full of air. And yeah, it works. It works. Yep. You can notice in here. Yeah. Now, after we test the back, we're going to install the drones, you know, the big one and small one here to see if it works properly. We remove the corks, and then we install the drones. For example, in here I have the big one and the small one. As I told you, is the bagpipe and the bagpipe that I use in Corpus Corax. And yeah, let's proceed to install the drones. We'll see if it works or not. Here, for example, this one, yeah, I have this one closed, yeah, this blocker, and this is open, yeah, this is open, is without. Also, I did this one, for example, if you don't have it, you know, it's like really helpful, because when you have to tune, for example, the chanter, yeah, you have to close. You have the option to close the drone, and it's important because by this way it's like any sound around except for the chanter. Yeah, and then it's closed, as you noticed. So now we open it. It sounds. And now we proceed to open the small drone. Perfect. It works. I'm so happy for that. Yeah. Nice. Good.